Alright guys, we are here at MSP doing another K-car race. Got the boys here. Fausto's come along to try his luck in the old racing classes. How you gonna go, bro?
We just came here to watch the champion here.
A little twist this time. We're not in the NA class anymore. I don't know if you guys remember, but I was showing this car off last time. So we're actually driving this in a team. We got the enduro race. Apparently all the cooling problems are fixed, so huge thanks to Cheeseburger Racing for bringing us out to race his car. It's always good racing someone else's car.
It's gonna hold me?
We'll see.
Bro, look. Holy wow.
Oh my god, that is a bit of home center bar. Don't crash, bro.
It's not about crashing, it's just sitting there. It's gonna be a problem. Don't change.
Get in to see if you fit the seat, man. It's gonna be an uncomfortable ride, bro.
I know already.
Oh my god.
See? You're fine. You might want to put it back before you get in.
Wait, feel the gearbox.
It's like G-Force.
What? Oh yeah, perfect. Just like G-Force.
That's the soup gearbox?
Yeah, the soup gearbox that Johnny kept putting in first last time.
Second and first every time.
Oh, about to churn some butter.
You miss gear?
Bro, he went.
Yeah, you'll see. You'll see.
You go from second to third, and then you put it in first. I did it a couple times. John did it like 10 times.
I did it 4 times.
Second to third, you're going into first.
Yeah. Guaranteed.
Third back to second, you're going into fourth.
Yeah.
It's like,
I just have a beach.
We gonna buy it.
So Johnny, what'd you do?
Pretty sure we bought this car.
So what's actually going to happen is if the car survives, they're going to buy it after the race. It's ready to go. So one more round. Oh dude, there's no roll cage in it. There is a reclinable. Oh, you excited, buddy?
Yeah, bud.
You excited?
Keen to try not to break this car again.
So apparently they have ice drifting here and stuff in the K cars during winter, so
yeah,
we can take that. So we're all going to chip in, providing that car lasts. But are you driving, Dave?
Yeah, driving the turd.
Hey!
Driving the turd.
Yeah, Nick did?
Yeah, Nick's driving too.
Hey!
We'll drive. Came up to watch it.
Woo! I love this place. So they were telling me how light these cars were. I think Cheeseburger said his, or Rob said his was like 600 kilos.
I regret not being short because I didn't know it was going to be fun.
It's pretty light, eh? little steer in the car. So much fun. It's a rocket ship for this little track. My hands are cramped up because you're just working that steering wheel so hard. How'd you go, Johnny?
Yeah, good. It's good. Yeah, remember the car again. This track layout's fun.
Different, eh?
Yeah, different, way different.
Yeah.
I've tried to jump it a few times too, which is good.
Oh, Jesus. So much fun. Lucky we'll have a K car for the next round.
Yep. I'm gonna chase you around too in that turbo thing all day.
So after a little bit of research online of how to drive a front wheel drive car, a lot of people saying you must left foot brake, called trail braking, on the entry and kind of like mid corner until it opens up. Then you can kind of breathe on it. What that does is lift the back, puts the pressure on the front tires, and therefore giving the front tires more grip. Josh is laughing at me like, "On, you're taking this stuff way too seriously."
No, I'm laughing at you because that just came from Google.
It did just come from Google. That's why I said I'm researching it, because I got no clue how to drive a front wheel drive car, nor track racing. So qualifying is done. Everyone's changing over at a fresh set of tires. Can you get a set of tires to last the full round?
If it rains.
Maybe if I'm not driving and Sam is not driving.
That's the funny thing is I was saying the same thing. I'm like, oh, it's crazy. I don't have front tire smoke going into every corner now.
Sorry, man.
FD legal. 2024.
That is some home center gal scaffolding pipe to build the cage. That has to be the best thing. Oh, it's not even bent. It's just cross-cut. I love this sport.
Is this meant to be this
My God. The harness bar ain't even straight. And then the harness bar is just tacked on. That's wild. Oh, these guys are nutters. Alright, race is about to start, but before that, if you guys could take the time to like and subscribe the video, it'd be muchly appreciated. Growing channel and stuff, it all helps. So let's get to racing. Good luck, buddy. Does not have any throttle. Just plugging the laptop in to see what's going on. So it was my turn to jump in and have a go, but I think the cooling issues are plaguing this car. So I'm just trying to momentum, keep it going, keep up with the cars, catch them through the corners and hope they don't drive away on the straight for me. I'm doing everything I possibly can, but I'm just getting walked down the straights by other cars. At this point, the car wasn't too bad. We are in the fastest car, so we should be walking them down the straights, and it just got worse and worse, and I just had cars start overtaking me, unfortunately, but I was having a blast. This was so much fun. A little bit of a challenge, you know, keep the momentum through the corners and try to keep with them. So the plan is obviously in fourth now. I don't think we're going to be able to make it up because the car just keeps cutting. So we're going to, the last pit, we're just going to let it sit. That way we can have some fast laps and have a little fun. But either way, I was having a ball, just talking smack, trying to block Fausto, trying to block cars. But yeah, good fun. Woo! What's going on? Mid-race oil change?
It changes it itself.
What?
It changes it itself, right?
Flash on, probably. Didn't even check the dipstick, just pour more in. So what, no alas was just like flashing on you?
Yeah, like every time I turn right, I just see it like.
So the red lap and Faustill's filming. Check this out.
I was like, nah, next round will be better. And the fucking thing just fly on my face. It's like,
I'm gonna jump in. I'm gonna have the last little stint. Maybe if I get a little bit happy, I might pass some people, but let's see how the car feels. Now it's had a chance to cool down, who knows? Yep, so the car was still having cooling problems, so we were just going on a Sunday leisurely drive. Yeah, that's me trying to post a story while I'm driving. But anyway, good event. I was the last driver in, so we'll see what happens next. Join the team one time, second in the championship. Hey Josh, what was I saying about so I've only been on the podium once and raced twice, and he's been on the podium race. Look at that.
Well,
I was on twice.
I think he's about to get on there third time.
Hey!
Oh no.
Kid got drenched. Alright, that's a wrap. We are going back to a Bisley circuit, 4-hour drive, but what a fun day. Even though the car didn't perform like it should have, I still had a blast. So much fun. I'll see you on the next one.